Alright friends, so currently in the 14, I'm gonna try and fix my dash cluster because it's got to like, I don't know, I'm pretty sure it's very common on 14s and Sylvias in general, but it's like the plastic lens on it is like, I don't know if you'd call it like oxidized or just crap, but yeah, it's like foggy pretty much. But yeah, so I'm going to take the cluster out, and I've got a polish to kind of put on it and see if I can make a difference. I'm also just currently about to put in this green apple, oh shit, this green apple air freshener from Drift Bunny. Look how cute it is. Oh my goodness. My car's going to smell like a treat. Oh, good. But yeah, I just thought I would update you guys, I guess. I've got some little goodies coming for the 14, but I will update you in another video down the track when it comes in. But yeah, let's start getting this cluster out. Just to give you guys a bit of an insight, like you can see here, the camera isn't blurry, it's the actual cluster. So I'm going to take this out. A lot of people know how to take these out, but if you don't, there's 2 bolts up in here, and it's kind of got to shift forward and then tilt down. If you pull it too hard, this will snap. But yeah, I'll show you what I mean. So I've just taken the top trim piece off, and I've taken the bolts out, so it should just shift forward, but see how it kind of sits up, and then it's just a matter of like angling this up and twisting it. If you do have the dimmer switch connected, obviously disconnect that, and then yeah, so I'm now looking at my dash, but it has 3 screws. I don't know how I'm going to go getting plastic lens off. I've never tried, but hopefully, fingers crossed I don't break it, otherwise probably just not going to run one for now until I find another one. Okay, so I'm actually out of the car because it got too hot, but I've got the cluster out now. You can see what I mean. It's definitely like, pretty sure it's on the inside of it. But yeah, so now I'm going to drop stuff. No, now I'm going to try and like get the plastic facing off it without breaking it. Not that I think I will, but obviously the car is 24 years old, so there's a high chance. But yeah, let's see how we go. So you can see how disgusting it is, but I've got the Meguirs PlastX. It's a clear plastic cleaner. It's meant for like headlights and stuff, but I'm going to try it on this because I was reading up and a few people said to use it, and I'm just going to use this little microfiber, little microfiber pad on it. So this is the before. Okay, so I'm back in the 14. I've just reconnected all the connectors back to the back of the cluster, and now I'm just going to put it back in, and I'll show you what it looks like once I've done that. So I've put the cluster back in. You can actually see these numbers now. It worked a lot better than I was kind of expecting, actually. So yeah, if anyone wants to try the same thing, I used the PlastX by Meguirs. It didn't take too long. I was using the applicator pad, but then I found that didn't really do much, so I used just a microfiber towel or cloth, and that seemed to work 10 times better. So yeah, there you go. That's how to potentially fix, depending how bad, the cluster fade on an S14, and I guess a little kind of bit of information on how to take it out. I know a lot of people know, but if you're just starting out in the car scene, that's kind of how you take it out. Alright, see you in the next one, guys. Bye.